Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Jennifer, and we're gonna look at one of the coolest places we've ever seen. So we're about to look at this jail, and we're gonna try to figure out if we can turn it into an Airbnb, if the numbers will work. Anytime we're doing a deal, it's always about whether the numbers are going to work or not. So how much do you think this is gonna go for? And it's right on the Arkansas River. This jail was made in 1914. This is the owner's dog here. And this is our realtor for the day, Lacey. Hi. Look at the turrets up top, or the, what do they call that? Like a castle-y thing up at the top? I forget what that's called. Oh, look at the entrance. So we go in over on this side, apparently. Oh, very cool. The jail texture. Look at this, immediately.
Yeah, that's the patina you can't get.
Oh, I can't wait to look around in here. And it looks like it works. Oh, darling, we need some time alone in here, don't we? Hi, Shane. Hey.
Are you ready to look around?
I like that they painted the PVC. That was something I did in my dungeon, and I wish more people would do that if you're going to have exposed PVC, painting it. Okay, we got a bedroom over this way. Countertops. Ah, lights. That is helpful. I love the walls. Just the texture, the patina on the walls.
It was a good choice to leave it.
How much do you think this goes for?
This is listed at...
And they bought it at just about 3 years ago, and then they've turned it into what it is now, from just a jail. I think it was just an empty jail when they bought it, right?
Yep.
Yep. So
I feel
they've
like a lot of people would have tried to paint the walls.
worked on the heating and air.
This way is great.
I think.
There you go. I love it.
Yeah.
Let's see what the back looks like. Nope. Try that again. Just this wonderful view of the river. Ooh, that wonderful view.
Sorry, I was following you.
Doesn't it feel great out here?
Yes, it does. This is super cool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This would be a great place to have breakfast.
This is a charming town.
Yeah, it's a cute little town for sure.
It is.
So we have a bathroom. I like this shower.
Oh yeah, that is cool.
This is where they used to wash the inmates off, I guess, before they took them upstairs here.
No.
Yep. I imagine this was a lot less pleasant at one point than it is now. Hi, Shane. How much would you give for a house like this in your area, boys and girls? Or, I mean, you couldn't find a house like this, right? I want you to guess in the comments how much you think this is going to go for. And I will tell you how much it's listed for when we get to the end of the video. And I think it will surprise you. See how close you can guess. Right downtown. There's a few fixer-upper items that still need to be taken care of, but nothing major.
The power.
Power in the heating in there. Oh, careful. Let's go upstairs, dear.
I'm so rough.
You are.
Oh wow. I love all of
The
the
names are carved
writing
in.
stuff.
I wonder if they were inmates.
I bet so.
Ron, RM,
Oh,
Sandy Kisser.
oh, that's cool. So it's
Guess we
can't
can
go
just-
in right now. I don't think.
Oh.
No, but it's set up. We can look in.
Yep.
Upstairs bathroom.
View of the church. Oh,
The
more
bedroom that
people's
doesn't
names.
get all the light.
More of the names carved in.
And that is really, really neat.
Separate electrical panel upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah, I am digging all the names scratched into the walls.
Yeah, like that's something you just don't, you can't artificially do that. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the amount of, it makes me think of the Count of Monte Cristo. That's amazing. So then this, I guess, is the kitchen and a living area. Ooh, this is big and nice. You could entertain friends. How much would this go for?
You did a marvelous job.
I know. How much would this go for where you live? If you had to guess, boys and girls, how much would this go for? Let's look at this. I guess it's kind of a Juliet balcony up here. The view and the air off of the river and everything right now is just stupendous. I want to go to the roof. It's just out of reach. I wonder what it's like up there.
We didn't bring our son to jump up there.
If we were actually in jail, I would just boost you up there and you could grab it and pull that ladder down. Come on, babe.
No, I watched something.
Come on. Well, will you give me a boost?
Do his faces.
Would you stay in an Airbnb like this?
Absolutely.
I would. This is cool. Our names in so many of these walls.
In Australia.
And what game is this? I've never seen that game before. Wow, I love these doors. Which door is your favorite in this place? I think I like this one the most, but there are several cool doors. So this is $600,000 listed right now. It originally sold for $200,000 and they flipped it and renovated it and turned it from a jail to this over just the last 3 or 4 years. Isn't that amazing?